Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to allow Instagram access to your photos on your iPhone. It's easier than you think. Let's start with the first method. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll all the way down until you find the section for apps. Tap on that. Now, keep scrolling until you find the Instagram app. Once you've found it, tap on it. At the very top, you'll see Photos. Tap on that. Here you can choose either None, Limited Access, or Full Access. For this example, I'm going to select Full Access. You'll then get a prompt asking if you want to allow Instagram full access to your photo library. Just click Allow Full Access. Now the next time you go to Instagram and try to access your photo library, it should work perfectly. Okay, let's move on to the second method. Again, start by opening the Settings app. This time, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and tap on that. Next, scroll down a little bit until you see Photos, and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps that have requested access to your photo library. Find Instagram and tap on it. Again, you can choose between None, Limited Access, or Full Access. I'm going to choose Full Access again. You'll see the prompt asking for permission. Just click Allow Full Access. And that's it. The next time you use Instagram, you'll have full access to your photos library. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks.